Hey, 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 hey. Welcome to Dee's Main Thing, where I treat you just like a queen or a king. Welcome, welcome. Guess I get on in here, right? Welcome. Hey, hey. How you doing? How's everybody today? It's that time again. Today, I have plated for myself smothered gizzards, rice, cornbread, corn on the cob. Okay, you guys, and I have some ice. And what did I make to drink today? Pink lemonade. I'm gonna bless my food and let's get started. Heavenly Father, thank you for this food that I'm about to receive for my body's nourishment. For Christ's sake, amen, amen, amen again. God. And look, I'm so excited about the gizzards. I can't wait to taste them now. I've been cooking them, but I haven't tasted it all put together. First time ever doing this. Okay? Let me try it out. Cynthia DeBerry suggested that I do it like this. She said, boil your gizzards first, Dee. And a few more queens yesterday when I said it, they said that too. Let's go. Just as I thought. Delicious. The gizzard is nice and tender. I boiled it first. Nice and tender. And the gravy. Gravy is gravy. The gravy is all gravy. And the lemonade is lemonade. Oh, delicious. Let me try it again. Let me just try it again before I put hot sauce. Okay. I can definitely see myself doing this again. I can definitely see myself cooking this again. And I was so excited, I sat down without dressing my corn. But it is so sweet, and I cooked it in the microwave. Look at that thing there. And it's so sweet. It has white corn, yellow corn. I don't need no salt. I don't need no pepper. Something about this corn, you know. So my gizzard tastes like when delicious. Corn is good. Corn is just good anyway. I have pepper here. Okay. The pepper won't stick to the corn without the butter. So, it's okay. It's alright. I'm gonna work with these gizzards. I forgot with this camera I need a thumbnail. That's what I will need is a thumbnail. Ugh. Come on, I'm ready to eat. Very, very good. Oh, that's like, look at all my lemons are in here. Okay. Okay. Salad. Oh God. I finally got all those songs off. After that one video. My God. But this is done. I don't think I'm gonna do that again. Just no way, no way. Either I was thirsty or today this lemonade is just banging. I think that could be it. I think the Kool-Aid just banging today. Banging, banging, banging. You know this meal, this smothered meal is. What can I say, Dee? Nothing to say. It is what it is, okay? Cornbread good. Rice done to perfection. Jasmine rice, you know, jasmine. I used to eat wild rice. I have some up there. But I thought I would come at you today with some jasmine. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, 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 mm. How you guys doing today? I just got overtaken by my meal, you guys. The rice, you know I love a good old onion. How's it going, you guys? Mm-hmm. I hope you guys said it's going good. I saw that you guys got the word of the day yesterday. So gotta give a lot of tickets for that. And like I said, this drawing, I believe I'm gonna hook it to next month's drawing because of the holiday. And we'll just do double the prizes. Like I've done before. When we put 2 months in one. And that's what we're gonna do. It's been so busy, you guys doing this, doing that. And then I mentioned cooking my gizzards. And that just told me to smother them. I'm like, what? Rice and gravy and gizzards. I never had my gizzards done this way, and I love gizzards. Good though. Mm-hmm. I'm glad I know how to make gravy, that's for sure. I don't want to touch my corn because you know when I pick my corn up, I don't want to let it down. And it holds heat. Mm-hmm. What's going on? Are you guys gonna do any grilling this weekend? What you doing? What are you guys doing? delicious. And Kool-Aid. Yeah, so don't forget what the holiday means. It means to celebrate the people that were in service, that are in service, and those that have passed away. My dad was a serviceman. He was fought in World War II. Now his body rests in Arlington Cemetery with all the other military servicemen. And I have 2 brothers that were in the military, and my son-in-law that was in the military. Well, thanks to them and thanks to all of you that do what you do, that fought in the military at some point. Thank you. Thank you. Man, I know that thing is not easy, you know? Of course, when my father was in the military, I didn't know. But when my brothers fought, I remember at home, and I would send them a care package, write them letters, send them stamps. That was my job. Yeah. I remember them coming home and then they're going back, and it's like, you gotta go back. I don't want you to go. My son-in-law, he was already out of the military when I met him, so I don't have to worry about that part. You know, your nerves be rattled when they're not home. Good thing I was younger, because if I was older like this, golly, I couldn't sleep at night. Couldn't sleep at night. So thank you for all that you do. Men, women, everybody. Ask us up. You guys, this gizzard thing, it's good. Really, really good. Corn, you already know. I gotta practice putting it down. It's that corn, I'll pick it up and won't put it down. You guys gonna do some grilling? Or for those of you that are not gonna do no grilling, try putting you some corn in the microwave. Just try it. One corn is what, 30 cents? Try 1 ear of corn. Shuck it, wash it off good. Put in a Ziploc bag. If you don't have a Ziploc bag, use a Walmart bag. Put it in there. 3 minutes. You have beautiful corn. Done in its own juices. Hey, have a safe and sane weekend, okay? And remember, don't drink and drive. That's no joke. Drinking and driving, this is not the holiday you want to do that on. Remember to be nice and kind to everybody. It's okay. Be kind, be nice. You never know what somebody's going through. You never know. Someone might have just lost somebody or something, you know. And this holiday might trigger anything, you know. Just be nice. It's okay. Just be nice. It's alright. It's cool. And just remember to live, love, and laugh. Humble yourself. Try humbling yourself, you know. That can work too. Just keep that in mind. It's okay. Someone may be going around a little discombobulated. And it might be something you notice and you pick it up. And when somebody do that, just let them go on and go. Let them live their life fast. Hey, it's okay to share a cocktail, have a cocktail. But put your kids away. Even if you go out, put your kids away. And get an Uber. And get a Lyft. Call a friend. Who's okay? Don't be out there drinking and driving. Everything happens so fast. In the twinkling of an eye, your whole life can change. You can change someone else's life. You don't want to do that. This lemonade could use a little tequila. I'm not going back out. That's corn, you got. Cook this corn. Microwave. Set yourself free. And then gizzards and rice. Maybe I'll do a versus video. Fried versus smothered. Anyway, it's just good. Probably because I love onion. Delicious. I put some serrano in here. Of course, I cooked some green chili. And it just got me in the back of my throat. I'm okay. I want to watch some movies this weekend. I'm going to watch some movies and hang out with you guys. Don't eat no watered down corn, you guys. No watered down corn, you guys. Woohoo! After I get done cleaning up, I gotta catch up on my comments, you guys. As you can tell, this is Friday night. Still early. I'm using up my onion. Don't forget, you guys, to be nice and kind, okay? And enjoy your weekend. I love you all. Stay safe, stay blessed. All of you. Okay? Remember, be nice and be kind. And don't forget to live, love, and laugh the whole weekend, okay?